Hello friends and kids, welcome back to Tirnar YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about you how to make the table light. Actually this is decorative light. With the help of some items we are going to make the light in the easy way, and if you can make this light and give it to your friends and you give it to your brother or sisters, even the kids, they like more happy. And you keep on giving small ideas to make the kids like this, making with our own product like small lights, something like that you give, they can feel also more happy. And whoever like my videos, they give likes, and whoever give comments, I really thank to them. Please subscribe my channel also, then you can get day to day my new videos also up to date. You can see in YouTube also. Thanks to watch in our YouTube channel. So let's we move on for the videos. So how to make the light? So we need items. I will show you the items, and slowly I make the light also. You can see and watch it, then you can try it at home also. So okay, let's guys, we moved on to the video. This one we can put on the side. So we need, for this we need one light, and we need some plastics. This one we are going to join like this, and we can make, this is very easiest way I make it and keep. This is you can join, you can split it like this, and you can join, you can see, you can join like this. Slowly cut in the plastic chart like this, you can cut and keep like that. I need a tool like this, and we need a stand. We are going to make stand like this. I cut and keep some circle like this. We can make stand, 3 stand, and we can put like that. And we need some wire to join the light also. This is the wire knob, the light knob, and we need one plug also for this, and we have switch here to connect. And we need 3 stand also for the light. These are the 3 stands I am using to make the light stand. These are all the things I am using, and we need the light knob to connect here. This is also we need one. So these are all the things we are going to make the light. So you keep on watching how I make. First we are going to prepare this one for the light on top. This is the decorative item. Normally we make any color. You can make a green, yellow, reddish, or black color, white color, as you like. You can make this one. You can see this is the easiest way. You can see one I will show you. You see, you can remove like this and keep, and you can join, you can cut like this, zigzag cutting you can cut and keep. Then you can join very easily as you like. You can join and keep also very fast. You can put a, you see, you can see this one, you can put inside and press one press, it will join. Same thing another also, put one side and press little bit, it will catch, and put one side inside. You can see this one, you can see inside. Yes, you can see like that coming after. So like that only we are going to join another side also. If you join and keep very fast, you can make the light also. You can see this is 2 joint. I will make 1 joint and show you. This one I make and keep already. Very easiest way to make the light. So this is the way you can make the light at home and give it to your friends also. They can feel more happy at all the time. So try to use and give it. No need to buy these small items in the shop, and your expenses also going high at the end of the month. So try to make yourself and give it to your friends. It's control your costing also. The budget of your month, it will be reduced. That's why I'm showing you how to make the simplest way of the light, table light, and it will be giving more colorful to your table also. That's why we are going to prepare this one, simplest way and easiest way also, friends. Okay guys, and even if you make like this and give it to your friends, they feel more happy, because your talent they don't know. Sometimes you have to show your talent to your friends and your colleagues, then only they will know about your talents also. So right now I make this one joint. So now we are going to prepare this one, the stand. With the help of this 3 stick I am going to make stand. You can have the knob here, you can have the hole, and you can put inside like this, press, it will go inside. So easiest way only, not more headache. This one, this is very easiest way. Now your stand is ready, so you can see the stand. You can top of that, you can put the plug knob now. This is the knob of the light, so you have to fix this one in the downside. You can see this like this, and there is one more knob that also we can fix on the top of this. Then it will not go down and up, otherwise it will go loose, and fall down. So you can make like this tight. Whenever you make like this, keep good product, using good product to keep, because this for kids also, it's for even big people or small people, the young man or old man, even you keep good things, it will protect yourself also. Safety, okay, safety reasons, you use always good product, good things, then only safety all time. Okay, then we are going to fix the light. This is our light. You can fix any color light also, yellow color, green color, like that. I will fix the light here. So this is our natural light. Then we are going to fix on the top of that, this one, the decorative item. So check it out guys, how I fix this light on the top. So I have two bases, I remove now. So you can see this one, I will clearly put this one inside. We have cutted here, you see the T-shape cutting. Then you can put inside, we have hole here, you can just press it. At the same time, one more time you press it, you can see now it's like coming like ball, any shape you can make like that. So like that. So another side again, same thing, you can make all the sides. Then it will be covered, and it will give more good to your light. So this is one side now covered already. You can put another side also like that. So you can fix all the sides same like this. See, one side now we can finish. You can keep like that also, it will give good decorate to your home. But even you can finish more, then it will give more decorative to the light. You can see after I finish, then you can see how it look like. So that is the main thing. So another part I connecting also here. Same method only, not any easy way. You can see I will put another side. We have a 6 hole like this, 6 hole. Then we can fix this 6 knob like that. Then we can fix this one in the side. Already we remove that one. I joined one more time. Then you can see the light, how it look like before and now. You can see guys, now you can see this is our table light, decorative one. You can fix all the sides like this. You can remove also any side if you want. Even this one you can make it and give it to your home. Each and every one like this one. You can see not fall down anything, because this is good product I am making, never fall down. And you can see light also not fall down, table also strong. You can put in any table and any time. This is our easiest way to make the light in your home. And if like this small things, you can make it and give it to your home. Even your wife also like, even your babies also like, kids also like, anyone can, even friends also like, anyone can like. And if you have a talent to show something, you make it, and like that you can show it, not to show another talent. And like this small talent you show, they will love you so much. That is the main thing. So now we are going to connect this light into the wire, so we can check how it work it out. So I have right now here one junction wire, so I put it in the connection. So now we can check it's working or not working. So this is our light, see, you can see very good working. Our light is ready now. This is table light. You can fix it at the table, or you can fix it at the dining table, or you can fix it in the bedroom, anywhere you can like it. See, this is our light, very good looking, and very good looking also. It's very easiest way not to spend more money also for this and all. Like this light you make it and give your friends also love you so much, even your wife love you so much, even kids also they like so much. You try to teach like these small things to your kids and your friends. They can make it his own creativity and put more colors also, like yellow, green, like this color you can change it any color and put like that. Then it will give you more pleasant to your room. So this is our video. If you like my video, please give likes and put some comments also as you like. You want to give comments, you can give. And if you like my video more, you can subscribe my channel also. Day by day I putting video also coming to you. You can watch it and enjoy. And Tirnar YouTube channel always here to entertain you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you on next video.